Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a line graph in Excel. Now for us to proceed with this one, I have this sample right here, product sales for Q1, Q2, and Q3. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight everything, click the insert right here, and then we have the line graph right here. So we have 2D options, 3D as well as 2D area, and then 3D area. So choose whichever you prefer. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of these line graphs right here. So let's say, for example, okay, let's go with this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and reposition this and maybe resize this just like so. And yeah, once you're satisfied with how you customize this one, you can go ahead and proceed with some of the options here. For example, you can go ahead and double click this one and call this one 2025 sales. There you go. And yeah, you have different customization here. For example, we have access titles, and you can definitely go ahead and try to explore more here. Another thing is when you click this, there is also like predetermined or template here already available for you to use. So depends on your preference which you want to use. And yeah, once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and save it and you may use it however you want. So that's how you're going to create a line graph in Excel.